The Mhcabsr wireless backup camera emerges as a cutting-edge solution designed to provide users with an advanced, convenient, and effective means of monitoring their surroundings during reversing maneuvers. This article delves into the features, benefits, and ease of use associated with this wireless backup camera. One standout feature of the Mhcabsr wireless backup camera is its intelligent compatibility with both Android and iOS systems. By downloading the dedicated app from the respective application stores, users can seamlessly connect their smartphones to the camera via Wi-Fi. This wireless connection facilitates live image transmission, allowing for real-time rear-view safety monitoring, making it a valuable tool for navigating tight spaces and tricky parking situations. Equipped with a high-definition color sensor, the Mhcabsr camera ensures a clear and crisp display of the surroundings during daylight. Its Super IP68 waterproof rating enhances durability, making it suitable for various weather conditions. The inclusion of 12 infrared LEDs extends its functionality into the night, providing a robust night vision capability within a range of 30 feet (9 meters). This feature is particularly beneficial for drivers who often find themselves navigating in low light or dark environments. Installing the Mhcabsr wireless backup camera is a breeze, thanks to its innovative design featuring a super magnetic base. Unlike traditional backup cameras that may require drilling, this magnetic base allows users to simply position the camera in the desired location, ensuring a secure attachment to the vehicle. This user-friendly installation process makes it accessible for individuals with varying levels of technical expertise. The Mhcabsr camera boasts a unique design tailored to accommodate a wide range of vehicles. Whether it's a truck, trailer, caravan, car, SUV, RV, or even livestock transport, this wireless backup camera proves to be a versatile solution. The 49 feet (15 meters) wireless transmission distance further enhances its adaptability, ensuring a reliable connection between the camera and the user's smartphone. Eliminating the need for constant battery replacements, the Mhcabsr wireless backup camera features a built-in rechargeable battery. Users can easily recharge the camera using the included USB cable, ensuring prolonged and cost-effective use. This eco-friendly approach not only reduces environmental impact, but also adds to the camera's overall convenience and user-friendliness. The Mhcabsr wireless backup camera package includes all the necessary components for a hassle-free experience. Users can expect to find the reversing camera, a USB charging cable, a Velcro attachment for added stability, a user manual for guidance, and a warranty card for added peace of mind.